Hi everyone, how are we doing? So today I'm here to talk to you about what is a flight mechanism in our lives. So the soul has been given some very basic instincts for survival, for base level survival, which we actually take from the animal kingdom. Okay, and these are generally instincts that take over when we are faced with a life threatening situation or we feel a threat to our survival. Okay, broadly, they can be broken down into three. So we have the flight mechanism, the fight mechanism, and the playing dead mechanism. Okay. So let's take a moment to talk about the flight mechanism. Now, this happens when we are faced with a traumatic situation, and our go to instinct or our coping mechanism is to walk away from it, to run away, to escape. Now, these are personalities who would do anything to not confront the situation, to not talk about it, to maybe not even fight it out, to not understand the other person. All they would do is just walk away. And while that's great in many situations, these flightists often use this as a mechanism every time they are faced with a crisis. And this ends up hampering our lives in so many ways. When there is a person in your relationship who wants to just discuss things, who wants to just question you generally, you immediately find that as something threatening your survival, and you just walk away, or you immediately like wall up. Yes. And there is nothing wrong with any of these instincts. It has been given to us for a reason. But excessive flight or excessive fight or excessive playing dead often hampers not only our relationships, our career growth, it hampers our spiritual growth, because then the epitome of this escapism is that we seek spirituality as a means to escape our ground reality. So if we feel that sometimes we have an instinct to always just want to escape, to just want to run away, yeah, we never want to stand up and fight for whatever reasons and whatever associations we have. Let's try and address this. If this is something that interests you, I will be doing our fourth chapter of Let's Heal on our need to escape, wherein we will be discussing it a little more in detail as to why we would do this, what could the inner children be, address those inner children, and how to find the balance between the fight and flight somewhere in the zone of awareness. Yeah, I hope that helps. Thank you.